everyone. Let's get international greeting out the way and we can get started. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasuma, здравствуйте, привет, buna, dzień dobry, sziasztok. Hello. Xin chào, yabasio, teres, salam alaikum, saskaka, marhaban, merhaba, habiri, and shalom, people of the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Brunel. If you don't know who I am, if you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're not new, well, thank you. I see you. I see you, especially if you leave a comment. Hint, hint. Right, so Huda Beauty has got a new releases out. 3 eyeshadows from the Obsession range, which are the smaller eyeshadows, which I believe it's got 9 eyeshadows in total in there. And she had 3 different ones this time around. It had she had light, and she had a Nude Obsession medium, and then she had Nude Obsession Rich. I went clearly for the rich, hence the title. Surprise, surprise. And this is what it looks like. As you've seen in the beginning, it is kind of, it is small. Let's just say that. I mean, these are tiny. Come on. And I've got a small face. These are tiny. Anyway, so this one is the Rich Nude, as I said. And let's quickly read through what it says. Okay, it says it. Every new Huda Beauty arrival is more spellbinding. It's more spellbinding than the last. And this collection of deep and dark, highly pigmented shades is certainly no exception. A dream come true for those Hudaholics who can't squeeze their palettes into overstretched makeup bags, or those yet to sample her game-changing shadows. We'll see about that. This Rich Nude Obsession palette brings together 9 irresistible pans with creamy matte and duochrome shimmer finishes in burnished bronze, burgundy, and warm brown shades for ultra rich lid looks. Alright, so I went for it, so you can see the color shades there. It's got, you know, the bronzes and so on. I decided not to go for the medium shade, which is more brown, because I've got enough of those shades, although they come in handy. So straight off, these are meant to be very handy. Take it on holiday, put it into your makeup bag, and voila, you are done for. The cost is £27. Anyway, £27. I just had to think about that for a moment for this tiny little thing. But I shall hold on for saying anything else until later on. So we're going to get started with this. On my eyes, as a base, I've already got the Too Faced concealer, but Bonnie Sweat concealer on my eyelids, and that's it. So I'm going to go in with a Morphe E28 brush. Look at it, look at it. The bit would come off, but look, this still works, so that's that. And we are going to get started with let's get started with this middle shade here. Is it, where is it, where is it? This one here, this middle shade, and we shall see. So dipping in, okay, comes up with quite a bit of pigment, not too much fallout, actually really nice and manageable. Well, actually not fallout, no fallout at all. So let's see how pigmented it is. Okay, not bad. Does feel a little bit powdery on me, but still quite pigmented and blends really, really easily. Happy with that went. So moving on to the next shade, which is this one here. And I'm using a Makeup Addiction tapered blending brush. Right. Now this brush is a little bit more, the bristles are a bit more scratchy, less smooth. So you tend to notice when you're actually taking a product, it might actually get a bit more fallout than normal. However, as the fallout goes, this is very, very minimal. So there you go. And I'm just going to concentrate that in my crystal. Ooh, mamma mia. Oh, oh yeah. Wowie. Okay, that is really, really pigmented. Oh, hell yes. That is a beauty of a shade, perfect for when you want an intense pigment and you want to do it really quick and it blends really easily, saves you a load of time. That shade really does it. So far, so really good. We're going to move on to the next shade, which is this one here. I'm just going to concentrate that on the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to use a Zoeva 239 soft lax shader brush. Well, it's just a shader brush. Well, all right. So that's that, and we're just gonna try it out and see. Ooh, wow! One little. Oh, look at that! Wow, wowie! Hopefully you can see that here. Whoa! Oh, wow, wait, okay. The claims about the pigment, sensational pigment. Well, okay, people. Okay, Huda. Okay. Wow. So pigmented. Next shade is this one here, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm going to start off with a brush and see what that is like. Whoa. No, let me try it with my finger as well. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yes. Going back in with a little bit of product from the dark matte on the outer corner of the eye. And by the way, this particular shimmer shade works really well with a wet brush. Normally, you guys know I'm like, the finger is the best, but not this time. Not this time. This time on, a wet brush really does a good job. So that's that. Right, so what I'm going to do is go and finish off the rest of my face and then give you my final thoughts, people. So I shall see you very soon. This is my face all done. I am very happy with this look, actually super happy. Just to go over what I did underneath my eyes, I went back in with these two shades. Middle shade here first of all underneath, and then I went in and finished it off with this one to smoke things up a little bit, hence this finished look. If you are interested on what's on my lips, even what's on my lips, and it's a good combination, doesn't it? It is a pencil from Kiko Milano, and that is the number 517. I lined my lips with that, and then this is one of the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Ultra Matte. No obstacle. That's the actual pen. That's the color, the actual shade, and the inside looks like so. On its own, you look at it with my skin tone, you think, ooh, too light. If you line your lips, they are fantastic, by the way. They are matte, but they're not so matte and so drying as well. I love the formula, and I'm definitely going to get more of the shades. My eyes were used, what did I use to line my lips? It was the Huda Beauty Life Liner. It is great for the top when it works really well. It is super dark. However, because it's a two-way kind of pencil, the other end, which is meant to be for your waterline, you can forget about that. It's utterly useless. And the top end, if you are interested actually in a review about that, I think I've done a review on it, and I haven't posted the video, so I think I'll do that and talk about that separate if you are interested. I would splurge on eyeliners if they are worth it, but that's it. The foundation I used was what the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the color 71W. So going back to the actual palette itself, would I recommend this? Surprisingly for me, I was at the beginning more of kind of like a no, no. But now I'm more of a, okay, yes. um, and the no is more because £27 is a lot of money for something that's so small. You can get lots and lots of different eyeshadow palettes at Makeup Revolution. You know, I'll leave aside whether you like the brand or not. I've got some issues with the brand itself with regards to the amount of product they churn out. But if you choose carefully, you can get some really good eyeshadow palettes from there. Hello. Also, you've got kind of BH Cosmetics, you've got even Morphe, you've got Milani, you've got loads of different brands out there, and for £27, did I spit at you guys? I'm so sorry. You didn't see anything, and I didn't say anything. Okay, £27 is a whole load of money. Putting aside budget and the fact that it's only 9 eyeshadows, this is actually really good because it is compact. But more important than anything else for me, it is really, really pigmented. It is easy to blend, which are the most important things where I'm concerned, because more often than not, I'm in a rush off to somewhere else and I don't have time for eyeshadow palettes where not only do you not have the pigment, but you blending it is more of a, it's such a delicate thing, and you know, you have to take so much time. I haven't got time for that, nor the patience. So when it is really, really well pigmented and it blends easy, you can literally get away with 2 different eyeshadows and you've done a look for the day, and it's fantastic. So for me, I would say yes, if you can afford to get it, and budget is not an issue. Also, obviously, if you want to support Huda Beauty, the brand itself, do go ahead, because this one I am super, super happy with. The other 2 I probably would not have been as much, but these are so pigmented and so, so pretty. I mean, come on. Forget about the blush. I went a bit overboard with that one. But, oh, yes, yes, yes. So, it's approved. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to say so. Comment will be appreciated. Thank you. So would a like, and also for you to subscribe. Why not? Give it a try. Give it a try. Unfortunately, I'm inconsistent when it comes to uploading, so sorry for admitting that. But never mind. Bye, people. Bye.